Is your marketing an expensive hobby or an investment? So in this video, I'm going to demystify what is a hobby and what is an investment. Hello, I'm Uzar and thanks for joining in. We all want to get more leads or more sales, and to do that, we do marketing and advertising. But if you're just getting clicks and likes and shares and no leads or sales, then it is an expensive hobby and something is wrong, because sooner or later you're going to run out of cash unless you've got millions and millions of them. But even big companies do run out of cash. So it is not sustainable. You've got to do something or to change something so that it turns from vanity metrics into actual conversions. So what I mean by vanity metrics, so when you or a marketer or a small business owner are tracking likes, shares, impressions, clicks, and they're feeling really good about their marketing that, yes, I'm getting all these people. Yes, you need engagement to start with, but the bottom line is you've got to get conversions. What is a conversion? A conversion could be a call, a form submit, a booked appointment, or someone makes a purchase on your website. And that's what we want to focus on. And many marketers and advertisers I see focus on the wrong metrics. All they will do is to look at how many likes I've got, how many subscribers I've got, how many views I'm getting. So you've got to make sure that there's a fine balance between the two, because all this engagement you're getting on one hand, if it's not translating into actual sales or leads, then there is something wrong. And sooner or later, you'll have to stop running ads or invest in your marketing because it's not working. You've got to be able to get the cash flow going by getting new customers and reinvesting some of the money back into your marketing and advertising. So you shift your focus from these vanity metrics first to the actual conversions. So how do we go about doing it? So here are the 4 key steps to help you convert more. Number 1 is knowing your audience. It's critical. And I've said this in many videos. You've got to know your customer avatar, or got to know your customers. What are their pain points? What are their challenges? Things which keep them awake at night. Things which they are struggling with. What are their goals? If you don't know them, how will you address their pain points and their problems? So that is the first thing which you need to work out, research, or ask questions to your target audience. If you got a email list, send them a poll or a survey or a questionnaire. Say, okay, share me your biggest problems which you need help with. So that is the first thing you need to start with. The second thing is your value proposition. Create an irresistible value proposition which they find it really hard to resist. What is your unique selling point? What is your USP? Why should they buy from you? What solution your offer helps them achieve? That is what you want to create. It has to be irresistible and different from your competitors. Just cannot be the same. Otherwise, they'll go to somewhere else. Why should they come to you? So be very specific and be very convincing that this is the best offer for the pain points. Then design compelling call to action. Just don't say, click here or submit. On the call to action button, put something like unlock your discount code, get your discount, download your cheat sheet, or something like that to make them take that call to action. And the last thing is the social proof. Really important, because they will check you out as to how good you are, but also what other people are talking about you. So they will check your reviews on Trustpilot, on Google Business Profile, showcase case studies of happy clients on your website too. Without that, it is very difficult to convince somebody to buy from you. And social proof is something which you must actively request from customers to give you reviews. Why does Amazon send an email out every time we make a purchase? That straight after a couple of days or so, they will ask you, how did you find it? And a percentage of them will send those reviews back. And they've got millions and millions of them. This is why we trust Amazon so much, is because of this trust factor. So social proof is really important. And if you got good case studies, good results, good reviews, it makes your life less difficult, and it makes the customers happy and confident that yes, you are the right and the best solution for their problems. So hope you enjoyed this video. I'd truly appreciate if you could give it a like, a thumbs up, and a subscribe for more videos like this. I look forward to seeing you in the next one.